Hi, today's topic about earwax. Earwax is a sebaceous gland produced in oily material called sebum, which ultimately break down into desquamated cells in the hair follicles. And the wax is a mixture of desquamated cells, cerumen, and sebum. And it is usually two types: dry wax and wet wax. Sometimes there is intermediate type also found, that is mixed wax, but primarily the mixed wax is under the wet wax only. The wax mixture of desquamated cells rumen is gene responsible for type of wax is ABCC11 gene. This is the single gene which is responsible for wax type, and it is Mendelian trait. If you see, dry wax is lacking cerumen in yellowish gray and brittle in color, whereas wet wax is brownish and sticky, and where mixed wax is common in between the mixture of dry and wet wax, it's common in Americans. Whereas dry wax common in Asian populations and wet wax common in European and African population. It shows Mendelian trait. If A married to G, it means the dry wax married to wet wax. Mostly G, yeah, it means wet wax is dominant trait. So if you see the product of this A and versus G, AA means dry wax, GA, GA and GG is wet wax. Because of wet wax is dominant, G is wet wax. So dominant trait is wet wax, and it shows representation of ABCC11 gene, which decide the type of wax. The benefit of earwax. The primary role of earwax to protect the skin of ear canal. It acts as a protective layer, trapping dust, other small particles that could make their way deep inside the ear where they could cause damage. Earwax also has antibacterial properties that can prevent infection. A waxy buildup in the ear canal help prevent water from getting there, which reduce the risk of ear infection. Earwax stickiness and smell both are essential properties. The stickiness traps dust debris from entering the sensitive part of eardrum. And earwax also act as a moisturizer, and it also protect the thin tympanic membrane. So it is more protective role. When earwax is becoming a problem, then you have to consult the doctor. You should not clean the ear because it's not required. Most of the time ear is protective, earwax is protective. If any sign is present like pain and pressure in the ear, there is ear blockage, tinnitus or ringing in the ear, or odor or discharge coming from the ear, and there is temporary hearing loss because of blockage, then you should consult the ENT doctor. You should not clean the ear. Routinely, ear cleaning is not recommended, not required. So, this video is about the earwax. How to, there is two type mainly, wet and dry wax, and ear cleaning is not recommended because it's protective. That's why this is, if you search out about earwax, if creating problem, then consult the ENT doctor. Thank you so much.